toodaloo toodaloo cruise to farewell.
Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Hino Truck, and this one is Hino Truck 300 616 series, and yeah, it came with the factory radio and navigation thing, which is this one. It is faulty. It was faulty, completely dead, nothing working, and we removed the whole thing out of the truck like this, or remove, and currently we fit in the 9-inch touchscreen full package of the wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple Carplay, and USB for Android Auto and Carplay as well. You can see on the screen is wireless Android Auto running with the Android phone that we are recording this video, and 2 USB port nicely fitted like factory fit. And of course it comes with the Full HD anti-glare and synchronizing reverse camera, which we fit nicely at the end. Have a look here. Okay, here we go. This is where our new camera stay there. You can see it right there. Okay, beautifully centered. So the camera is fully fit at the center at the back end. Okay, and now let's have a look at how actually